Hi, I'm Alistair Weaver. That's our ace test driver, Jonathan Alfarland. This is a Tesla Model S Plaid with track pack. That is a Porsche Taycan Turbo GT. And this is one of the biggest Edmunds U-Drags ever. Let's get on with it.
Well, this should be a good one. Today we have the 2023 Tesla Model S Plaid with 1,020 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque. It's running on Goodyear Eagle F1 Supercar 3s. Going up against the 2025 Porsche Taycan Turbo GT, 777 horsepower and 855 pound-feet of torque in normal mode, but it can peak at up to 1,092 horsepower. It's on Pirelli P0 Trofeo RSs. These electric titans are going head-to-head on our Edmunds U-Drag track, which starts with a quarter-mile drag, then they hit the brakes, do a 180 and power back to start-finish. At the end of the first run, we'll swap drivers and lanes and do it again. Oh, you want more? Well, we also have a Lucid versus Plaid and a Lucid versus Taycan. Check them out. Do you love Edmunds U-Drags? Subscribe now and go and explore Edmunds.com. We have all the info and inventory you need when shopping for a new or used vehicle, including the famous Edmunds ratings. And we'll even make you a cash offer for your old car.
So how do you launch the Model S Plaid with track pack? Well, actually, you've got a bit of a choice. You could run it in track mode, which in theory would be better through the braking and corner and then back onto the straightaway. But that does cost you a little off the line. So we're running in drag strip mode to maximize the acceleration off the line, then get it brake, get it stopped, and then use all that phenomenal oomph to power us back down the straightaway to the finish line. This should be exceptionally close. What else do you need to know? Well, suspension, adaptive suspension damping is in sport. I've got it in its lowest setting. And then left foot on the brake, right foot on the gas. That activates launch control, which takes quite a long time to come to life. And then it's just release the brake and away you go. Feel the adrenaline a little for this one.
It is a good day today, ladies and gents, because I'm driving this and I am lined up against that Plaid Model S. This is a dream come true. All right, how do we launch this thing? Well, first off, we have to be sure we are in the right drive mode. So that drive mode is Sport Plus, a couple clicks of the dial, clockwise, boom, done. Then we have to go in and we have to make sure that PSM, or Porsche Stability Management, is turned off completely. So press and hold, boom, that's off. And then we're pretty much all set. We put it in drive, we do hard on the brake, right foot, bury the accelerator, we'll get a little launch indication and off we go. At launch, the Porsche Taycan actually uses its extra boost. And so it uses maximum horsepower and torque to get off the line. And then on the way back, we actually have this extra boost mode called attack mode. It lasts for about 10 seconds. So I'm gonna go ahead and press that little button right here on the way back. Should give me an extra boost of horsepower. Hopefully if that Plaid is anywhere near me, that's gonna be enough to put them behind us. We'll see how it goes. That Plaid is super fast, but this Porsche is also super fast, dialed in, made for performance. I think we have what it takes to take the V in this race. Let's find out.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it's a clear getaway, but the Porsche's got the edge. God, it's head to head. So at apex, feed the power, go.
Wow, that barely got it stopped. It's going so quick. Here we go. And there we go, boost.
Porsche's had a way better exit.
Full attack mode, full attack mode. I wish you could feel this. That was a fantastic race. These cars are just amazing. Like, they're just amazing feats of engineering. I don't know how you feel, but I am just, adrenaline is going overtime.
Yeah, it's funny, like you do a couple of runs and your brain almost like readjusts to the sheer violence of the performance. I mean, off the line, they're basically side by side. And then under braking, that just feels like it's got a little bit of extra stop. The problem with this is you can't turn all the stability control off, and so you end up having to wait quite a long time to get back on the power, and that just tends to compromise the performance out of the corner.
Yeah, you know, it's sort of an either or situation with the Plaid. You can either kind of do a drag strip, run, and get that quick down and back, but yeah, track mode is not accessible where you're able to kind of more freely play around with yaw. With Porsche, you can kind of have both. You can have the launch control, you can turn everything off, or you can have a small degree of traction there to sort of help you out with the corner exit. So I actually ended up turning PSM to sport because I was just getting way too much wheel spin, even in a straight line coming out of this corner, and the PSM Sport actually helps to sort of button that down and really maintain traction quite well.
So Jonathan, I think we should swap cars. You're going to need to have a go in this Plaid, and I'm going to have a go in the most powerful production Porsche ever.
It's quite the headline. I think you'll enjoy it.
So Porsche Taycan Turbo GT. This is not the Weissach edition. As you can see, I do have rear seats. I don't have a roll cage and a bit of extra carbon fiber, but that's a good thing because it means it lines up properly with the Model S Plaid. Already feels like a very different car, much more sporting, a bit more like a kind of electric 911 if you like, than a traditional sedan. What am I doing? Pretty much the same gig as Jonathan. We're in Sport Plus attack mode. Got to remember to hit the little boost button as I come out of the corner to give me that extra horsepower to hold me towards the line.
All right, it is Plaid time. We're gonna run with what we got. I'm not gonna change anything Alistair did. Drag strip mode, cheetah stance, boom. I'm gonna fire down there and I'm gonna do my best to get this turned and fired back the other way. We'll just see how it goes. I'll do my best, guys.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, go, go, go.
And we're off. Whoa, my God, this thing goes.
Come on, come on. Come on, Tesla. You got this. You got this.
Pretty good launch. Now, can we get this thing stopped?
Whoa, braking is a challenge though. Go, 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 go.
Now we've got the power boat boost good and going.
Come on, you got this. You got this.
Where's the Tesla? Where's the Tesla?
Oh, it's gonna be close. It's gonna be close! Oh! By a hair!
160 60 miles an hour across the finish line. Woo! Man, that was exciting. I was like, where is he? Where is he? Where is he?
That was closer than I thought.
So that was exciting because I couldn't really see you coming back. I was conscious of you like somewhere around my rear quarter. And I was like, when that thing hooks and it properly hooks, it goes.
Clearly, like, it doesn't give you the full beans if you've got like some lock turned in, but I tried to really focus on getting it straight and firing it back. And I was like shockingly starting to gain on you towards the end. I think if we had another, I don't know, probably 50 yards, I would have been there, but I don't know. Who's to say that would have stayed that way? But man, this thing puts up a good fight.
Well, that was insane. Look, we love doing these races, so like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends so we can keep them coming. Here's the track conditions. And for the best numbers. 0 to 60 goes to the Porsche Taycan at 2.1 seconds. Quarter mile goes to the Porsche again at 9.3 seconds at 147.8. Max cornering goes to the Taycan, pulling 1.41 Gs. And the win goes to the Porsche Taycan with a time of 28.8 seconds at 155.9 miles an hour. For the official leaderboard, head on over to edmunds.com/U-Drags. Both cars improve on their previous times, with the Plaid moving up to third with its time of 29.3 seconds at 162.1. And the Porsche is able to hang on to second with its new time of 28.8 at 155.9.
So Jonathan, in the end, the Taycan wins. Different kind of car, right? I mean, in a straight line, there is basically nothing to choose between them.
Yeah.
And then under braking, this just feels a little bit better, and through the corner, it feels a little bit better. For me, in my run, in the Plaid, it's just you're waiting for if you go off in drag strip mode, as we explained in the beginning, then you get back on the power. If you don't get it absolutely straight, then the stability control's kicking in, and you're just like, come on. Whereas this, you can actually power through the corner, and it's a lot more consistent in the Porsche than it is in the Tesla.
Yeah, I mean, totally agree. The Tesla, it's sort of either or. You've got drag strip mode for the ultimate trail line performance, or you got track mode where it kind of gives you a little bit more freedom to corner and do all the things that cars should do. The Porsche, you don't have to choose. You have launch control in any mode. You can turn stability control completely off. You can have it a little bit on, and it just works. And it drives the way that you would expect a sports car to do that. And it does so being electric.
But in the end, the Turbo GT had that little bit more finesse, better through the corner, better back onto straightaway, and ultimately scoring a well-deserved victory. Really hope you enjoyed what you saw. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of this fabulous entertainment. Check out edmunds.com/U-Drags for the leaderboard. These two are going to be pretty near the top. And check out everything else that edmunds.com has to offer for all your car shopping needs. Thank you, Jonathan. Thank you, wonderful production team. Thanks for watching. See you next time.